There are several ways you can use ChatGPT and YouTube to earn money. Create YouTube videos featuring ChatGPT. You can create YouTube videos that showcase ChatGPT's capabilities and how it can be used in various applications. These videos can be tutorials, demos, or even entertaining content that uses ChatGPT in a creative way. By building an audience for these videos, you can monetize your YouTube channel through advertising, sponsorships, or other means. Use ChatGPT to generate video ideas. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for YouTube videos, such as brainstorming topics, writing scripts, or even generating video thumbnails. This can help you save time and generate more ideas for your channel, which can lead to more views and revenue. Offer consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer consulting services that use ChatGPT to provide insights and recommendations to clients. You can promote these services through your YouTube channel, and use your videos to showcase your expertise and generate leads for your consulting business. Use ChatGPT to optimize your videos. ChatGPT can also be used to optimize your YouTube videos for search engines and social media. By using ChatGPT to write video descriptions, tags, and titles, you can increase your video's visibility and attract more views, which can lead to more revenue. Overall, the key to using ChatGPT and YouTube to earn money is to identify your unique strengths and find ways to leverage ChatGPT to amplify your capabilities and provide value to your audience. With a little creativity and effort, you can build a successful YouTube channel that generates income and helps you achieve your goals.